Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of a specific part on your PC with Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to access our snipping tool application because we're going to use snipping tool. You can go to the search bar and then you can search for snipping tool. Usually this application will be installed automatically, so you don't need to download it. And after this menu appear on your screen, we're going to use this camera icon. Since we want to take screenshot, and then we can select new, and you can choose a specific area you want to screenshot. Okay, I'm just going to pick random data here. And let's say that you want to take screenshot of this area, the table area. So we need to, oops, sorry guys, we can select the area like this, like new, and you can select the area you want to take screenshot. Okay, and this is the result. If you want to get this result, you can go to the File Explorer and go to the pictures, and you will find screenshot. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a screenshot of a specific part on our PC with Windows 11. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.